Your customers are continuously demanding more customization and material variety. HOLZHER's new Sprint 1329 Multi-Edge Bander offers state-of-the-art carpentry shops a solution for productive and profitable realization. The new Multi reduces your setup times enormously and even allows production of small lots at any time. This reduces reject quotas and sample workpieces to a minimum. On the inside, the Sprint 1329 Multi operates with assemblies using play-free mechanical systems and high-precision, fully digital NC servo axes, guaranteeing precise positioning with 100% repetition accuracy. The Sprint 1329 Multi is completely equipped with multifunctional tools. An 18.5-inch touchscreen with widescreen format allows selection of the specific profile on the multiple stage diamond tool, and the unit is automatically guided into the starting position. The new NC drives and play-free mechanical systems are also integrated into the dual motor shaping cutter. A fully automatic revolving tool changer with absolute repetition accuracy allows fully automatic shaping with a wide variety of profiles. The fully automatic scraper unit performs the final machining operation. Two different profiles can be selected at the touch of a button. The scraper carrier can be equipped with standard carbide-tipped scrapers to complete the integrated multifunction features with multiple stage tools and revolving tool magazine on the Sprint 1329 Multi. This machine makes it simple to offer your customers short setup times, continuous excellent quality, and enormous variety. The new high-performance Sprint 1329 Multi is a completely smart edge bander, providing an efficient partner at your side.